Hello! If you're looking to expand your business, raise capital from the public, and gain credibility, converting your private limited company, Pvt Ltd, into a public limited company, PLC, is the next big step. A public limited company allows you to issue shares to the public, get listed on stock exchanges, and attract more investors while enjoying both legal and financial benefits. Let's dive into why and how to make the transition. Why convert to a public limited company? So, why should you consider converting your private limited company into a public limited company? Here are the top reasons. Access to capital. Public companies can raise funds by issuing shares to the public. Enhanced credibility. A public limited company enjoys a better reputation and investor confidence. Share liquidity, better employee benefits, expansion and mergers, exit strategy for investors, legal framework for conversion. The legal framework for converting your Pvt Ltd to a public Ltd includes Companies Act, 2013, Sec. 18, SEBI Guidelines, ROC compliance, step-by-step process. Here's the step-by-step process to convert your Pvt Ltd into a public Ltd company. 1. Pass a special resolution. 2. Amend MOA and AOA. 3. File forms with ROC. 4. Meet capital requirements. Obtain ROC approval. 6. Stock exchange listing, if applicable. 7. Ensure post-conversion compliance, forms required for conversion. Here are the forms you need to complete the conversion. MGT 14, filing of the special resolution for conversion. INC 27, application for conversion approval. DIR 12, appointment of new directors, if applicable. MOA and AOA, updated governance documents that align with Public Ltd norms. Essential documents required. You'll need the following documents to complete the conversion. Board resolution. Shareholder special resolution. Updated MOA and AOA. Certificate of incorporation. Financial statements. Proof of registered office. Director details. CB compliance documents. Post-conversion compliance. After converting to a public Ltd company, here's what needs to be done. Annual filing with ROC, appointment of independent directors, CB and stock exchange compliance, auditor, appointment and tax filings, timeline and cost of conversion. Processing time. The conversion typically takes 30 to 60 days, depending on approvals. Cost includes O government filing fees, O CB approvals, O legal consultation fees. How Filings Corner can help you. At Filings Corner, we simplify the entire private limited to public limited conversion process with expert legal assistance. Legal consultation, complete documentation, seamless ROC filing, stock exchange and SEBI compliance. Multiple package options available. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get started with your public Ltd conversion. Filings Corner, making business transitions smooth, legal, and successful.